Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we are going to see how to share a notebook in the Evernote app. So, first of all, you need to download the app from the App Store or the Play Store, then log in it, and then after this, open it, launch it. Now, here you can see the basic user interface like my name, it's saying good evening Abhishek, and it's telling the date. Now, what you need to do is if you have created a note, then you can scroll down here and here you can see your notes. Now, just click on any note like this to become a millionaire. Now, I have created this note, and you can see at the top left corner, you can see it's written first notebook. Now, what you need to do is click on these. In the right corner you can see three options: a person with this plus, a tag with plus, and three dots. Now just click on the person with the plus option, click on it. After this, here you can see share note. It shows a share label link with you can give this to anyone and he can see it. Also, you can see various sharing options like more sharing option. Click on that, click on the arrow. Here you can see you can share it with airdrop messages, WhatsApp, Instagram, LinkedIn, notes, etc. This is how you share your note in the Evernote app. Also, you have options like you can invite someone from your link so he can directly open the notebook which you have made. Also, you can email a copy, you can send it to the Gmail account if you want. So this is how you share a note in the Evernote app. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.